Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to a new video from technery.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mount a smartphone on a tripod. So in this tripod, you just have to remove the upper knob. So unlock it and remove it in this way. Slide it towards yourself to remove the upper clip. So if you're having a professional tripod, then in this way you can remove the upper clip. It is having a screw, and on this screw you will have to attach a universal mobile holder. So you can purchase it from the link in the description. If you don't have it, it is needed if you want to mount a smartphone on a tripod. And in this way you can tighten up the screw. So make sure that the alignment is proper, and now you can easily slide this clip onto the tripod. So in this way, open it, clip it and lock it. So it's very easy to mount this clip, and after mounting the clip, you can easily keep your smartphone attached to the clip. So in the universal mobile holder, you can attach your smartphone and you're ready and set to go. As you can see, we have mounted the smartphone in just a few seconds. We have also reviewed this tripod, so if you want to check out the review, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. So in this tripod, you can also use the smartphone in vertical way, that is in portrait mode, to capture some nice videos or photos. So if you want this professional tripod, you can purchase it from the link in the description below, and it's very much easy. So in the beginning phase it will be somewhat difficult for some people, but with this video I hope that it will be very much easier for you. If you're having any kind of doubts or queries regarding mounting a smartphone onto a tripod, don't forget to comment it on the comment section. Kindly like this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. Keep visiting our website, which is technery.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.